Hello there, gorgeous ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this video. You're absolutely welcome to this channel. If you've been with us for a while now, you know what we're all about right here on Trendy's Short Hairstyles Lookbook, where we present the most beautiful and amazing hairstyle looks when it comes to your short hairstyling. As right now, you'll find 90 plus easy to style short layered hairstyles for women. You see lots of amazing simple bob short hairstyles. You also find sassy bob hairstyles and haircuts. You see beautiful side swept bob style haircuts. You also find beautiful pixel haircuts right here with lots of amazing looks and of course styles that you can try out for yourself. As already mentioned, you find lots of amazing side swept bob. You also find bobs with bangs and without, or probably fringe and without. You'll find beautiful chin length bob short hairstyles like this one. You'll find so many amazing shoulder length bob hairstyles, but of course you'll find in between lovely and amazing hair color ideas like this slides coming up right now. Lovely color right there to inspire a beautiful look on you. We do want the very best ideas for you anytime you come on board watching our video. We hope this channel has been inspiring enough for you to going out there to trying out something new that should give you that stand out and amazing look that you've been looking for. We of course want the very best style look for you anytime you come on board watching our video. You can let us know what you want to see more of from our platform as well. Probably you want to see something more, you definitely let us know what it is you want us to share more often for you to get that beautiful and amazing inspiration anytime you come about watching our videos. Do also check upon our previously uploaded videos, share this video with loved ones and friends, leave us a like, and of course leave a comment down below. Do not forget to press that notification bell as you do all this to get updated each and every time we have a new video upload for you, be it our long form video or our short form video. We try as much as possible to present forward all to you the very best and amazing style looks when it comes to your hair look. Thank you so very much for watching this. Do well to keep coming back for more. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.